Alright, so this is the wine opener, and that's just what it looks like when it's charging, of course. This button makes this go down, and this one makes it go up. And it comes with a little cutter you can put on top to cut the top off. And there we go. Top is off. And then the cork is exposed. So now that our wine bottle looks like this, we just take this and stick it right on top and press down firmly. Hold your wine bottle and press down on the button until it stops. Alright, there we go, it stopped. Now, look at that. The bottle is open, the cork is gone, and when I press up on this, the cork will come right out the bottom. And there you are. That's how you use it. The Oster wine bottle opener.